Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the quadratic formula. My dear students, quadratic formula is used to find the solution of the quadratic equation. First of all, we will discuss about the standard form of quadratic equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation in which a is not equals to 0 and a and b and c, these are the constant values and x is the variable. And this is the formula of the quadratic equation which we have derived from the standard form of quadratic equation by using the completing square method. By applying the completing square method, we will find this quadratic formula. We will derive this. This is a quadratic formula, and with the help of this we will solve exercise 1.2 from Punjab textbook board, Bahawalpur. This is part number 1. 2 minus x square is equals to 7x. First of all, my dear students, we will write this in the quadratic form in such a way that we will write all the values to left hand side and then we will put 0 to right hand side. There are two options. You can change this with the help. You can change this negative sign to positive sign by multiplying or dividing this equation by 1. But in this formula, if you are going to find the formula, quadratic using the formula, then you can not change. If you want to change, you can, but there is no need to change this negative sign to positive sign. So just move on. And you know that, my dear students, you look at this standard form of equation, ax square plus bx plus c. It means the value which is attached with x square. This is the value of a, and the b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant value. So by using this method, you know that the coefficient of this x square is minus 1, and the coefficient of x is minus 7. And the c value of c is equals to 2. So we will put the values of a, b and c, and after that write the formula b minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. And now we will put all the values of a, b and c in this formula. After that, you know that minus minus plus 7 plus minus 7 square is equals to 49, minus minus plus 4 2s are 8 divided by minus 2. And after that, my dear students, we will add 49 to plus 8 and we will get 57. So the value, this cannot be further solved. So my dear students, we will write this as a solution set. So solution set of this question is minus 7 plus minus 57 square root by 2, because 57 is not a complete square. So we cannot change or convert it to another form. So this is the answer. Now part number 3, square root 3 x square plus x is equals to 4 square root 3. My dear student, first of all we will write all the values to left hand side by arranging these values, and after that we will put 0 to right hand side. And now you know that this is the coefficient of x square a, the value of a is square root 3, the value of b is plus 1, coefficient of x, and the constant value is c minus 4 square root 3. So dear student, now you will write the formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and after that you will put all the values of a, b and c in this formula. And now you can see that 1 square is equals to 1 and minus minus plus 4 4s are 16, and square root 3 into square root 3, it will be the square of square root 3. So square will be cancelled by square root. We will get only 3. Now 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Minus 1 plus minus 49 by 2 square root 3. Now dear student, you know that 49 is the square root of 7. So we will write the constant value, and after that we will multiply minus 1 plus 7 by 2 square root 3 and minus 1 minus 7 by 2 square root 3. We have two situations, plus minus. So 7 minus 1 is 6 by 2 square root 3, and minus 7 minus 1 by is equals to minus 8 by 2 square root 3. So 2 will be cancelled, we will get 3 by square root 3, and here 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, minus 4 by square root 3. You can write this is in this form, but this is the better that you will multiply, you will rationalize this question. If you will write this value 3 divided by square root 3 to calculator, then your calculator give you the answer square root 3. It means after rationalization, but you can also write this answer, both answers. So this is the solution set of this question. Part number 7. 3 by x minus 6 minus 4 by x minus 5 is equals to 1. Dear students, you know that in this question you can observe that question is given in the fraction form. So as we have discussed in exercise 1.1, so by using that method we will multiply the equation with all the denominators. There are two denominators, x minus 5 and x minus 6. So we will multiply each and every term by these denominators. And after that we will get 3, because x minus 6 will be cancelled by x minus 6. So x minus 5 multiplied by numerator. So 3 into x minus 5, and here these two values will be cancelled. So x minus 6 will be multiplied by the numerator value 4. And here we will multiply, since there is no denominator, so we will multiply both values by 1. After multiplying 3x minus 350, 3 5s are 15, minus 4x minus plus 24 is equals to x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 30. We will combine all the values, and after that, after combining and after solution, we will get x square minus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. Now this is in the standard quadratic form. So we will find the values of a, b and c. A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 10 and c is equals to 21. So after getting the values of a, b and c, we will put the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So by putting all the values of a, b and c in the formula, we will get 10 minus plus 10 plus minus 100, 10 square is equals to 100, 21 4 is 84, 100 minus 84 is equals to 16, the square root of 16 is 4. Now again we have two situations, plus minus 4, so we will put it by first plus 1 plus 4 and in second side by minus 4. We will get the values of x, which is equals to 7 and x is equals to 3. So this is the solution set. Now we will move to the last part of this exercise, part number 8. X plus 2 divided by x minus 1 minus 4 minus x by 2x is equals to 2 whole 1 by 3. This is the mixed fraction. So 3 2s are 6, 6 by plus 1 7. So this will become 7 by 3. Now we have three denominators, 3, 2x and x minus 1. So we will multiply each and every term by 3 into 2x into x minus 1, and after multiplying we will get 6x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x minus 1, 4 minus x is equals to 2x into x minus 1 into 7 by removing the denominators. Now my dear students, multiply 6x square plus 6 2s are 12x minus 3, 4x means we will multiply these two brackets with the values of these two brackets with each other, and here we will multiply 2 7s are 14x, x minus 1. 6x square plus 12x minus 3 minus x square, x plus 4x is equal to plus 5x minus 4 as it is, and then we will multiply 14x by x minus 1, we will get 14x square minus 14x 1s are 14x. And now dear students, we will remove the bracket and then write 6x square plus 12x plus 3 minus plus 3x square minus 15x minus plus 12 is equal, and we will write all the values to left hand side. So minus 14x and it will become plus 14x is equals to 0. By combining the like values, we will get minus 5x square plus 11x plus 12 is equal to 0. So find the value of a, which is minus 5, coefficient of x square, write b as a coefficient of x, and the value of c, which is a constant, is equals to 12. Write the formula and put all the values into the quadratic formula. Now my dear students, 11 square is 121 and minus minus plus 4 5s are 20, 12 20s are 240 by minus 10. Now add these two values, 240 plus 121, it is equals to 361, and 361 is a square root of 19. So we will get plus minus 19, two situations, minus 11 plus 19 by minus 10. X is equals to minus 11 minus 19 by plus minus 10. So I'm sorry, I have forgotten to write the negative value, means we will put the negative sign with 10. Like this, okay, and after that we will 19 plus minus 11 is 8 by 10 minus 10. After dividing we will get minus 4 by 5 and minus minus will be cancelled. 30 by 10 means x is equals to 3. So solution set is equals to plus 3 minus 4 by 5. This is the answer, and this is the end of exercise 1.2.